Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you've been looking for a trading strategy that filters out market noise and helps you spot trends with greater accuracy, then you are in the right place. In this video, we are diving deep into an incredible line break chart trading strategy. Okay, it's one of the best ways to identify trends and reversals in the market. So if you're tired of choppy price action and you want a strategy that is simple yet powerful, stay tuned. Okay, this method could be a game changer for your trading. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable trading tips. Okay, so let us get started. First of all, let us talk about what exactly a line break chart is. Now, a line break chart is a type of chart that focuses on price movement while filtering out market noise. Okay, so unlike the traditional candlestick charts, which can often show random fluctuations, the line break charts only display new lines when the price moves a certain amount beyond the previous one. I am going to add the line break chart custom indicator right now. Okay. Um, all right, we can see this is the line break chart indicator. We can see that it is different from the traditional uh, candlesticks. All right. Now, what does this mean for you as a trader? Right? What does this mean for you as a trader? It means you can see trends more clearly without getting distracted by smaller, less significant price movements. Okay, this makes trend reversals and continuations much easier to spot. In a typical candlestick chart, all right, in a typical candlestick chart, you might see a lot of false breakouts, right? Let's just remove this for a bit. Okay, you might see a lot of false breakouts and confusing patterns, but with line break charts, only the strong price movements get through. Okay, so it's like having a filter for noise, leaving you with clearer, more actionable signals. Okay, now that we understand what line break charts are, let us talk about how they work in action. Okay, line break charts are typically drawn using a set number of price bars, each representing a specific price movement. The most common approach is to use a 3 line break method, but you can also experiment with 5 line or 10 line breaks depending on your trading style. So here's how it works. For new line formation, you see that a new line is drawn when the price moves beyond the previous line's high or low. And then if the price goes above the previous high, if price goes above the previous high, the trend is considered up. All right. And a new bullish line is created. If the price moves below the previous low, if the price moves below the previous low, a new bearish line is drawn, indicating a downtrend. And if the price fails to move beyond the previous line's high or low, the chart simply stays flat. No new line is drawn. Now, this simple concept helps eliminate false signals that occur during choppy market conditions. When the market is trending The chart will show you clear bullish or bearish lines, nothing in between. So why are line break charts effective? One of the main reasons they work so well is because they eliminate the noise that often confuses traders using traditional charts. On candlestick charts, a lot of small movements can give you false signals, causing you to enter and exit positions too early. But with line break charts, the chart doesn't react to small price swings. It only reacts when price moves significantly. This makes it perfect for trend following traders because you only see a new line when the market is showing real momentum. Additionally, line break charts are less clustered. Okay, there are no candlesticks or wicks to distract. Uh, there are no large candlesticks. So as you can see that we just have clean, clear lines and this thin candle-like structures as well. Okay. So you can easily identify when we are in a trending market, whether a buy trend or a sell trend. You can see, and when we are in a ranging market. Okay, just pay attention to the positioning of these red and green bars with respect to this line, and in as much as well, sometimes you might see some differences. Well, remember that no indicator is accurate. All right, no indicator guarantees profit. So sometimes you might see a couple of false signals, but pay attention to the dominance of the red bars or the green bars. So if you notice the green bars dominating, when the bars are above the line, you might be considering buy opportunities. But if you notice that the red bars are dominating when the bars are below this line, you might be considering sell opportunities. Okay, ensure that you look for multiple consecutive red bars for sell or multiple consecutive green bars for a buy, and then the red bars should be below the line, this blue line for a sell. The green bars should be above the blue line for a buy. Ensure that you always wait for confirmation. After identifying a trend, wait for a pullback or a correction. This will help you avoid entering too early in a choppy market. Also use other tools like support and resistance, moving averages, RSI to confirm your entry. Okay, it is very important, and ensure you always set your stop losses as well to protect yourself in case the trend reverses unexpectedly. A good rule of thumb is to place the stop loss just below the previous swing low for a buy trade or above the previous swing high for a sell trade, and ensure that you use good risk to reward ratios when setting your take profit levels. All right, now you can exit the trade when the trend starts to reverse. If you notice a reversal in the trend, you can exit, or you can use predetermined levels for your exits as well. All right, now you can use support levels for exiting your sell, for example, or resistance level for exiting your buy. Now, to quickly recap, line break charts filter out market noise and show clearer trends. You can use the incredible line break trading strategy by identifying trends, confirming pullbacks, and setting stop losses. You might want to combine it with other indicators for even stronger trade confirmations, but ensure that you fully understand this indicator before making use of it, because as you can see, the indicator can be quite confusing, I must say, right? Because you can see that this is the original price action, right? And then this is the line break chart indicator. So you can see that sometimes it looks kind of confusing. So make sure that you fully understand this indicator before using it, and ensure to always practice on a demo account first before using it on a live chart, right? If you enjoyed this strategy and want more insights like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with all things trading. Drop a comment below. Have you used the line break charts before, or is this your first time hearing about them? I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.